Hi there, welcome back to Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about LinkedRadar. And what LinkedRadar is basically a LinkedIn automation tool. Um, so it's basically a tool that allows you to connect automatically with people and manage your follow-up messages and things like this. Okay, so first of all, we can see the headline is very clear and transparent. And if we scroll down, we can see more videos about how it works. And it goes more in depth about how you can use it. So here they do more explanations as well. And so do they here. So they do here as well. If we scroll down, and I see more testimonials. Okay, so this is good in terms of credibility and having a positive reinforcement in the prospect's minds. And yeah, this is exactly what they do here, which is great. And if we scroll down, we see even frequently asked questions. These are helpful to handle the objections of a potential prospect before they make a purchasing decision. Okay, and also, well, that then takes us to the end of the actual homepage. We can go and check the pricing just to see how they've structured it. You can see that it is quite clear, which is good, and every plan is clearly defined where you can see the specific feature that you might need to implement in your business, and you can see specific pricing for each of them. So this is a really strong pricing page because it's quite clear. There's no need to overcomplicate it. I guess they could have added some credibility elements on the pricing page as well, and some frequently asked questions too. Um, but other than that, I think this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this, and if you happen to be a SaaS founder that wants to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link down below in the description to book a call. Other than that, I hope you guys have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.